welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see beautiful, nice office wear collections. Very pretty slub linen sarees, slub cotton sarees, jute mix sarees like that. All very budget friendly sarees. All the sarees range below 1000. I'll just show you the sarees. Very pretty sarees they are. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. It's a beautiful slub cotton saree. It's a very different material. Like you'll have, it's more like a cotton feel, but it's slightly a mixed. But the flow of the material will be very beautiful. You can just drape it. It really falls very well. It's a beautiful pink color one. We have a beautiful double side ikat border on both the sides of the saree. It's all printed, and the pallu of the saree is a very beautiful ikat pallu. But these are all printed only. The body is plain, and the blouse of the saree is the plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 850. It's a beautiful orange color ikat pattern saree. This is a printed one, but in a slub cotton material. Very pretty material, and the print is very beautiful, and the body is completely plain, and the pallu of the saree is in a beautiful ikat pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 850. We have very beautiful colors in this model. I'll just show you the colors alone in this. I'll not put all the colors in this model. I'll just show you all the colors available in this. Yeah. The next is a nice yellow combination. This is a beautiful yellow combination one. A very light yellow. A pretty color. The next is a very pretty steel grey, very light grey, beautiful one. You can just take a screenshot when I show like this. Beautiful color. The second is a very pretty blue. See, very nice blue. The next one is a light lavender shade. It's a very different shade, a beautiful English color, nice lavender. This one, a beautiful shade. The next is a light peacock blue. Very pretty shade, a different shade this is. Since we have lots of colors in this model, I don't want to put all the shades, so I'm just showing you separately like this. Very pretty green. Same model, both the sides are lovely ikat border and ikat pallu. This design we used to get in beautiful Shambalpur pattern, but that will be a weaved one. This is a printed one, but when you wear it, you will not know the difference. A very beautiful flowy material this saree is. A beautiful fawn color. The next one is a nice green, a pleasant sweet green. Pretty one. This is a lovely grey, a slightly a different shade. The before one was a different shade grey. This is a different one, a slightly blue mixed grey. And the next is a nice lovely combination mustard, beautiful shade. And again, it's a nice shade. A fawn color. Beautiful shades these are. I'll just put this color on me and show you again. See how beautiful the color and the pattern is. Very pretty and a very beautiful flowy materials. Absolutely fine material. All these sarees are priced at 850. And this is a nice jute silk saree, a very flowy and a comfortable material. Like no, the saree just falls, it just drapes beautifully. This is again a easy maintenance saree, you don't need to wash nothing. These are all slightly synthetic mix, but very comfortable to wear for office wears and all. You don't need to starch nothing. Very pretty pattern. On both the sides of the saree we have a beautiful printed pattern which has been running along the saree. And the body has a small design, a very small wavy pattern design. And the pallu of the saree is this. And the blouse is very pretty, a printed blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of the saree is 860. And we have nice colors in this too. I'll show you the other colors which are available in this model. This is a very pastel yellow. Next is a very beautiful green. See, a lovely green, beautiful pattern, nice green this is. And the next one is a nice light peach color, very pretty color. See, I'll show you. I'll just open. This is the pallu of the saree, body, beautiful color, light peach, very pretty pastel shades these are. And all these sarees are priced at 860. This is a nice jute cotton material, very nice material. Like no, these will be best for the summer. Like no, you don't need to starch, just a wash and wear sarees which will be very comfortable for office wears. A beautiful blue with a mustard combination. Bottom part we have a long border. On the other side it's a small border. And the body is completely plain. And the pallu of the saree is this. And a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of the saree is 650. And we have nice color combinations in this also. I'll show you the combinations now. This is a nice blue, a peacock blue with a pink combination. The bottom part will be a long border and other side it's a small border. And the pallu of the saree will be this. And in this also we'll have a contrast pink blouse. So this will be the blouse of the saree. This one. And the next combination is green with pink combination. Green with pink combination. Same jute silk saree. A lovely one. And the pallu is in pink. And the blouse will be in contrast pink color. And all these sarees are priced at 650. It's a beautiful linen cotton material. In this we have both the sides we have a kadizari border. It's a batik pattern, very contrast, beautiful batik pattern saree. A red with a black combination. And the body is completely a printed one, a batik printed, very pretty combination, lovely combination. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich contrast pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of the saree is 730. In this also we have nice beautiful color combinations which again I'll show you. This is the next one, a beautiful green with a dark black combination, very pretty combination. The next will be a nice yellow with maroon combination, pretty one. A very good combination and a very different sarees. The next is a beautiful purple with a navy blue border. These materials will just flow and very nice and different patterns. See, this is the pallu and the body. I'll show you. This is the body of the sari. A rich one, nice one. These will all be best for the upcoming summer season. This is a nice pink with dark maroon combination. Very pretty one. This is the body. See, a nice shade, a beautiful sari. The next is a yellow with a red. The most traditional color combination in any batik sarees. Very pretty color. That's the pallu and the body. This is the body. You can just take a screenshot. And the next is a nice pink with dark navy blue. It's a dark navy blue. Looks like black, but it's a dark navy blue. Very nice, pretty combination, this one. And all these sarees are priced at 730. I'll just show you this saree also. I'll open and show you one more saree of this so that you have a nice look. Very pretty combination, see? Lovely combination. Pink with dark navy blue. A lovely pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of the saree is 730. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the collections. They are all very budget friendly, and these will be very comfortable sarees which you can wear for the upcoming summer season. Very nice sarees. Please take a screenshot of the saree whichever you want to purchase and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.